Good morning, this is Shane with Damascus Road RV Services and On the Road with Damascus Road. Today our journey took us to National Indoor RV Center of Atlanta, where we're going to inspect a 2015 Dutch Star for a client in California. So we just got here, just got our keys, and first impressions, it looks in really good shape. We're going to spend the day checking it out, inspecting it, very detailed, and we'll let you know what we find out. All right, so we've been here for a couple hours on this Newmar Dutch Star 4369. It's got tires on it that are 3 months old, 3 or 4 months old. Outside is no major cosmetic issues. Inside, we just got the slides out, got it level and everything, so we're just gonna take a quick walk through. Nothing's jumping out at us, and this thing's pretty. It's got the heated slate marble floors. It's got all your leather seats, independent seating. It's got a televator. It's got your induction cooktop. This coach does not have any LP in it. Bath and a half, a large residential fridge and freezer, and it's just a little cool little door. I've seen a few others that operate like this, but it's just kind of cool the way it's low profile when it's open. You can get in there. And that's where your central vac system is in the bathroom also. Large master bedroom, king size bed, your sliding pocket doors, all your storage over here with your TV, good cabinets on both sides. Just notice there's even outlets in the closets. And then you got your large sliding window, say hello Mimi. Step up into the large master bath with separate washer and dryer, separate vanity sinks, a large shower with a little seat, and even more closet space. I mean, check this out. This has got storage forever. So, beautiful rig. We're going to continue on with our inspection, moving on to the interior, and then some detailed inspection on the slide, the roofs, the sills, the mechanisms, and all that. And we'll get back with you. Like and subscribe. Well, we do what we got to do the job. All right, it is 5:05 and we are finished up with our inspection of this 2015 Dutch Star. It's been a great day, beautiful Georgia weather here at National Indoor RV Center of Atlanta, and a few little highlights. Departure angles, front and rear, approach and departure, perfect, no issues. The tires are less than 6 months old from their date codes, all 8 of them. You can see the paint. There are very minor, couple little chips and scratches. This hasn't even been washed in a while, so what you're seeing is just, it's a very well taken care of coach. I love all the detail in their paintwork, how the slides and the sidewalls of the coach line up. So just carrying through, you got your dryer vent up there, it works great. Your departure angles, again, they're great. A lot of people curb them, or when they leave a parking lot that's too steep, they drag. All that's great. They're walking over here. This side, hey, we're in the shade now. It's just a very clean coach. I can't wait to see it once they get it detailed and really clean. Slides, everything there works great. One little interesting thing that I found, peek under here. We got a little bird's nest of some sort. So the worst things that I found so far on this, well, now we're at the end of the inspection, is the front street side leveling jack does not function. The worst things I found. Now, pay attention always to your seals. Keep an eye on those as you're maintaining your coach. And we've got a small rock chip very center of this windshield. Those are very important to get taken care of as soon as possible, because that small rock chip that can be repaired can spread and turn into a total windshield replacement, and that's a lot more time and money out of your pocket. So let's go to the inside. All right, moving inside of this coach. We got a great cockpit here for the driver and the passenger. You can put your step cover out, you can kick your feet up, relax as you get toured around the country by your chauffeur. I love the dark cabinetry in here and the dark walls. It is a 2015. It is not perfect, but it is in really good shape. You got a few minor issues with some interior furniture. Little scrapes there, same thing on these little rocker recliners. Tons of light, tons and tons of light. You can see very well in here. It really offsets with the dark wood. You've got your true induction cooktop. This coach is total electric. There is no LP. So it's got the Oasis hydronic heating system, which also does the furnace. So that's your water and your furnace. It's got heated floors, and it has 2 heat pump AC units to go along with that. It's got a dishwasher, so you know you don't have to do the dishes all the time sitting there at your sink. That's another small issue we found, is the kitchen sink. It does leak underneath from the drain, so we found that. It's got a great little half bath in here with your central vac system in it. You can hook a hose to the top rectangle, or you can sweep and open that spot on the floor and it'll suck it through. Full-size residential fridge and freezer. I mean, this thing's just enormous. And look at this pantry. I mean, that is just amazing. All the storage that you have in there. And then moving on into the master bedroom, you got a king-size bed. The AC in the bedroom is amazing. It really cools it down. We're mid-80s here in Georgia today. Large storage for your closets. I guess it could be his and hers, your TV, all your drawers under there. Large mirror. Rolling into the bathroom, you've got one little step up. Your washer and dryer are in here. And come on in here and look at the shower. So I'm not an enormous guy, but I'm not a small guy either. 6 foot, we'll just say 200 pounds. And it's got your bench. Close the door, put the bench up. I've got plenty of room either way I turn, okay? I come across a lot of things where I can't stand sideways or I can't stand all the way up. So this is a really nice big shower. In here is your huge master closet. It goes to the left and to the right, and you got a safe back here in the right corner to keep your valuables in. And then your double vanity sink, which this drain is broken, the little stopper, and that one I can't get to unstop, so it's still full of water. So like I said, there's a few little issues. We got a screw loose up here. Yeah, I got a screw loose here too, probably. But then that's the major things. The vanity sink issues, the kitchen sink leaking, the front street side jack not operating, the windshield crack. Like I said, right now that might cost $50 to $75. If it spreads and runs, I don't know what your deductible is, but I don't want to pay mine. I'd rather pay $50 to $75. So, great shape coach. I don't know what the client's decision is going to be. I've got to work on the report tonight, get it to them tomorrow, if not late tonight. And they're in California, so they are taking my report and making their decision. I take my job very seriously. That's why the two of us spent 9 hours here today. So that is 18 man hours in this inspection, with some time with the client on the phone, emailing back and forth, and then finishing up. So I'm going to have 20 to 22 to 23 man hours in this inspection. Is it worth it? Yes. What if he'd have been driving down the road, camping, and didn't realize his kitchen sink was leaking? What if he'd have left, got to the first campground, tried to set up his coach, tried to level it, and that leveler didn't operate properly? Now that's money out of his pocket. Pre-purchase inspection, all these things will be fixed or deducted from the purchase price. What do you think? Let us know. Thank you.